The Irish for a well is Tubber. Tá is na Calabug in seo ag Tubber Níomh Catriona, I'm at St Catherine's Well in Killybegs. Catherine of Alexandria is the patron saint of Killybegs and she's celebrated on the 25th of November. Their fadahan gro marnially mi Naragus gro Sturm Madrulon. They prayed to St Catherine for help and that they came ashore in Killybegs and they came up to this field and built a wall around this well. Some stories say the well sprung up as they were praying. Regala dini hag na siag mani yn cwgalas fi hyd y mina sauna. Hogu bosni o ar drag as halach agus sianu si padger has yn shaw. The locals have great faith in the well and said to have cured a lot of people. There's another nice story as well about a Protestant minister who's said to have hired men to block the well. And said that the minister nearly drowned with the water. Sent the men to the well to open it up again. No one has ever tried to block the wells ever since. Some other stories say that some ministers tried to use the water for tea and for porridge, but that the water wouldn't change when they tried to do it. Rosary will still be said here now on the 25th of November to celebrate St. Catherine, so the tradition is strong and alive yet.